Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I am so freaking excited to listen to this song because after I don't know, eons maybe, I'm reacting to an Agam song. This is from their new album, probably or new project, I should say, Arrival of the Ethereal. And we have an 8.5 minute music video. This song is called "The Silence That Remains." I don't want to delay this any further. Agam equals magic. That's all I want to say. That's all I want to say. Agam equals magic. Let's listen to the song. What remains? Yeah. Those who never saw emptiness before. Fear. Wow. Silence. Woo! Light. Freedom. Oh my god. It's going to be epic. I just know it. I already know it.
साक्षात्कारणी सद्भक्ति साक्षात्कारणी सद्भक्ति
Even the setup. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh, this combo. The guitar and the sitar. my goodness. I don't know what to say. I want to shout and scream in happiness. The nature sounds in the background. Oh my god. Oh my god. Moksha Mugalara, my Saint Tyagaraja and Raga, which is, wait, Raga Saramati set to Aditya. Arrival of the Ethereals. Just see the kid with the placenta attached. I'm just getting the chills. I don't know, you can't see. But, oh. Oh my goodness. Let me stop this. Oh, they have given, they said thank you, infinite gratitude to our greatest inspiration, A.R. Rahman sir, for believing in our music. To everyone who stood by us through 18 years of highs and lows, this is for you. Firstly, a big thank you to Tyagaraja ji. Oh my goodness. I don't know, guys. What do I even say? What do I even say? Other than that, I am completely speechless. Obviously, the original one, the original Carnatic composition, Mokshamu Galara. This was composed, I don't know which year, but Saint Tyagaraja, what is given here is 1767 and 1847. Like his lifespan. So, this is the kind of compositions that we already have in our country, in our classical music, in our classical literature. And which is why I have appreciated Agam always. Because whenever I have listened to any of their songs, any of their, their compositions of how they kind of bring in the original classical literature to us in that modern format, there's a different kind of magic that they create with that. And they never lose the essence or the emotion of the original one. And it's just, they just create magic. I mean, go check out any of my Agam reactions, guys. I have always been in shock or absolutely speechless or completely mesmerized. I mean, these are the only reactions I've had. Nothing else. Nothing else. I have been in complete bliss whenever I've reacted to their stuff. Any of their videos. Just go check it out. All of it will be the same. And the fact that I'm recording my reaction for Agam after so long, I don't even remember when was my last Agam reaction. It has to be a year or year and a half ago. Yes, that would be the time. And I'm glad that they have released this and they completely pulled me back into their greatness, I should say. Because honestly, anyone listening to this would not be able to process the song at the first go. Like I am talking so slowly because I am still processing. The song has not completely registered in my head. I am still processing it because they have kind of executed so many emotions through the music that I am still taking it in. I'm not able to register. I don't know how to react. I don't know how to react except expressing shock. And believe me, this is how you make a comeback. This is how you make a comeback. This is of epic proportions. Guys, this is of epic proportions. I mean, I know we don't do the Coke Studio Bharat explicitly like that regularly, season by season, but yeah, they better be the face of it. Like Coke Studio better get Agam on board and say that you need to do the opening act of whenever the new season starts. Oh my goodness. I feel like I have been blessed. There is a different energy. Like musicality, the amount of instruments and the amount of coordination between the singers, all the artists, all the musicians, it's insane. Like that cannot be questioned here. It's insane. The execution is absolutely perfect. For someone like me who has zero knowledge of music, I have not learned music, right? So for me, this is like 100 on 10 when it comes to execution. If somebody who has studied music and especially, who have studied Carnatic music, you tell me how this has this been interpreted well from the original one. Please tell me. I'll be very happy to know. But the point is that just the feeling that this has given me, it feels magical. It feels some spiritual awakening. It feels like that. I have goosebumps. I want to scream. I want to, scream and shout at happiness. I also want to just say nothing and just cry. I don't know. This is how I'm processing the song right now, guys. This is how I'm processing the song right now. Beautifully sung, beautifully executed, beautifully shot. I mean, kudos to the cinematographer. That was the set art director. Whoever has designed this entire set, whoever is the production designer, kudos to them. Like, this has come together really, really well. Really, really well. I'm just so happy to react to them. So happy they're back. So happy. And I'm guessing, I'm hoping, I don't know, I'll check it out. Arrival of the Ethereal is probably their new album or a mixtape or EP, however you want to put it. And I hope there are more songs coming out. I just hope. That's what I'm hoping. So yes, that was the reaction to The Silence That Remains. Perfect. And I will see you soon on my next video. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Bye-bye.